right, today's lesson, prime factorization. You might also know them as factor trees because they look like trees when we're done. And we are going to take a number and break it down into its factors until we get to just the prime factors. And I want to review just really quick, remind you that prime numbers only have two factors, one and itself. Let's write this down. One and itself. Okay? And we've got some interesting numbers here. So the number 1 is not prime because it only has one factor. The number 2 is prime. It is the only even number that is prime. And the ones that you should have memorized, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. I mean, if you know about up to there, you're doing pretty good. Here's all about the prime numbers that you're going to need to know for our purposes. All right? Okay, let's do some practice. 36, and we're going to write the prime factorization of that number. Now, I've written it twice because I want to show you it doesn't really matter how you start it because you're going to get the same answer no matter what. So you start off by thinking what two numbers will give me 36, and it doesn't matter how you go about it. You could say, well, 9 times 4 is 36, or you can say 6 times 6 is 36, and actually you can even say 2 times 18. Let's put that one down too. We can say 2 times 18 is 36. Doesn't matter how you do it. All right, so over for this one, then we take each number, each factor separately, and then we do the same thing over again. What two numbers give us 9? 3 times 3. Aha! 3 is a prime number. Once you get to a prime number, circle it, because you know you're done. Now let's go to 4. 2 times 2. Prime numbers. Circle. There you go. And I'm done. When you have taken that number, 36, to its prime numbers, you stop, and then you're going to order them from the smallest number, which is 2, to the largest. So we're going to start with the 2. How many 2's do we have? We have 2. So 2 to the second power, because there's 2 of them, times how many 3's? We have 2. 3 to the second power. So this is the answer, the prime factorization of 36. Let's go over here and show that we're going to get the exact same answer. So what two numbers give me 6? 2 and 3. Prime number, 2 and 3, prime number, prime number. I start off with the smallest, which are the 2's. There are 2 of them. Then I have my 3's. There's 2 of them. And same answer. Let's go over here. Well, 2 times 18, 2's prime. So I'm going to start off with a prime number right there. 18, I'm going to go with 2 times 9, prime number. And then 9, 3 times 3. Okay, there's 2 2's and 2 3's. So there you go, folks. It does not matter how you do the factorization. As long as you do it correctly, you will get the same number, and that is prime factorization. Okay, let's do this one more time, and we'll try a larger number, the number 90. If we remember our rules of divisibility, we know it ends in a 0, so that means it has a factor of 10. So let's start off with 9 times 10. All right, let's go over to the 9. What two factors will give us 9? 3 times 3. I've hit a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. come over to the 10 now. 2 times 5, right? 2's prime, 5's prime. I'm already done. Okay, now I have to write these in order from the smallest number to the largest number. We start off with the 2, and there's only one of them. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the 3. There's 2 of those. Now I'm going to go to the 5. So the prime factorization of 90 is 2 times 3 to the second power times 5. Now you might even see it written out like this. Sometimes on tests they'll go 2 and they'll put the multiplication sign times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, that is also correct. This, however, is the most correct. But if you see the answer written like this and you don't see it this way, go ahead. It is okay to say that that is also the correct answer. All right, I'm going to give some for you to do now. All right, let's start off with numbers, the first one, the prime factorization for 16. Go ahead and try that one, and then when you're done, check your answer, okay? So press pause now, work out 16, and then check your answer. All right, here we go. The answer is 2 to the 4th power. Now, it doesn't matter how you did it. You could have started out with 4 times 4, but the final answer should have been 2 to the 4th power. All right, let's move on to 54. Go ahead, pause, work that one out, and then check your answer. Here we are, 2 times 3 to the 3rd power. All right, check your work. If you did something wrong, do you understand what you did wrong? All right, let's go to the last one. Prime factorization of 120. Pause, and then check your answers. All right, and the final answer here, 2 to the 3rd power times 3 times 5. All right, that's prime factorization. We'll work on it some more in class tomorrow. See you then. Bye.